and welcome to my channel. I'm Claudia. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love for you to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me a like. What I'm going to be doing today is I am going to be doing a review on the Gucci belt. It's the Interlocking G belt. You know, it's a belt that I've thought about getting for a while, but you know, everyone has the standard traditional Gucci belt, so I thought I was gonna, you know, what I wanted was to get something a little bit, you know, maybe not so much dressier, but just something different that not everybody was wearing. So I ended up going with the Interlocking G belt. So I am going to show you just a close-up of what the belt, just the buckle, what it looks like. I mean, it's really pretty. I mean, it's got the two G's there, but you know, in my opinion, I think it's really pretty. It's a pretty belt. It looks, in my opinion, somewhat dressy, and it's just a little bit different than the traditional Gucci belt that we see around. So I did want to just show you just what it looks like, you know, do some close-up views, but you know, I do want to show you the actual strap. I will say this belt I've had for about 2 years now, and I've had no issues with it. And you know, the leather is perfect. Like, I'm not one scratch, which I thought was pretty nice. You know, I was more surprised that I didn't get more wear on the leather, because I thought maybe, you know, I'd start to see some of the leather because it's all black, but you know, actually not one wear at all. I mean, it looks perfectly, just perfect. Looks like when I first got it. I mean, you're gonna see a little bit of just the creasing there from when I wear the belt. I don't know if you can see it, but aside from that, there's really nothing, you know, going on with the belt. The one thing that I will mention is just normal wear on the hardware. This is the gold hardware, and I'll see if I can do a close-up there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the scratches, but there's some very, very faint, just very small, tiny scratches from wearing it. You know, it's rubbing up on your jeans, or maybe you sit down and it rubs up on a table or something like that. But again, this belt is held up really nicely. So if you're looking for a belt that's really durable, I highly recommend this belt. And as usual, when you do purchase something with Gucci, you always get a box. You do get a nice dust bag. You know, a lot of people have been asking me lately how I store some of my items. What do I do to preserve, you know, my accessories and my handbags? I am going to be doing a video soon just showing you what I am doing and how I'm keeping my stuff stored, you know, versus some people do keep everything in dust bags, and some people just keep everything out. And there are some people that keep things in the plastic clear containers, which seem really cool and they look nice in closets. So I'm actually going to be showing you a video on that soon. So I hope you'll visit my channel again, and we'll be able to go through some of that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do some quick just model shots on what the belt looks like from close up, and then we will be done. Okay, so I do want to show you what the belt looks like from the front. So this is what the belt looks like, and I do have my pants just a little bit higher. So I am using a little bit higher waisted jeans, but you can see what they look like. And I mean, you can see the belt, it's a really nice belt. It's very slim. I went more with a thinner belt because my jeans are usually more, you know, just as my style. I guess I shouldn't say my jeans are anything specifically, but you know, I prefer the thinner belts. It's just my opinion and my preference, but I went ahead and went with more of a thinner belt, but you can see how pretty that looks. I'll get a little closer so you can see the really close up, but it's really cute. You know, you can see from the side. And so it does look, I mean, in my opinion, I think it's a really nice belt. I don't think, you know, you'll have any issues with it. Again, it is definitely very durable and just really has maintained, you know, its value. In my opinion, I think it still has really good value because it's just in really good shape. So just, I wanted to share that with you, and that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. And again, if you're not a subscriber, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you next time.